Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a little unboxing video for you. I'm really hoping to get this done. I have 7 kids here today, so it's kind of crazy, so I'm hiding out outside for a few minutes. But this is from the last release and the cut up shop. Ooh, as you can see right there, I have the little Be Sassy. So I'm just going to try and open this up. I should maybe have opened it before, but okay. So first off I'll pull out the sassy, and there it is. Oh, and I got the straight lines. I was so worried about not having straight lines on this because I had the Be Classy in this print, and although I loved it, I just couldn't get over not having straight lines. But thanks Barely Used for giving me straight lines. It's absolutely gorgeous. It is so pretty. I love the sassy. I like using it as a purse or just as a quick trip bag. I've been using my whimsical watercolour one a load, and this is really pretty. This is going to look really nice as a purse actually. So there is the sassy, and you know I'll do a packing video on this later on. I also got a fuel cell in the Narwhal Nirvana. I was going to get the set, but then I changed my mind at the last minute. It's not my favourite print. It's cute, and I wanted one for my daughter for her lunch bag, but as you can see there's the really pretty zipper. And I'll just open it up so you can see the inside. There's the inside. It's really cute. She is absolutely going to love this because she loves unicorns. It's cute, and I'm glad I didn't get the set because it's not kind of love for me, but the colours are really pretty, and it's a really nice grey. Yeah, that's really cute. And then I also got a fuel cell in the World of Warcraft. That's really cute as well. I really do like this one actually. Oh, look at that lining. That is amazing. So there's the fuel cell, and again this is for pretty much for my kids for school, or we use them at the weekends a lot. But I really love the colours on this. And then in here I also, my little gift with purchase was a Narwhal coin purse. That's cute. And then I also did get the B set in the World of Warcraft too. Just because I really like the colours on it. I really love all these pastel-y colours. I like a lot of the dark stuff, but sometimes I like to put some light colours into a darker bag. It's really cute. And I don't know if this is a good or bad print placement on this. I'm not really sure, because I'm not into Warcraft, but I just love the colours. It looks pretty good. Let's see that small set piece. That's kind of cute. I've got full characters, so I guess it's pretty good. So there's that inside lining again. Look how pretty that is. Wow, I really love that purple lining. So there it is. There is my little haul from the last release. I didn't go overboard with it, or at least I don't feel like I did this time. I only got stuff that I knew that I was going to use, so that's why I only went with the fuel cell in this. Like I said, I was going to get the set, and then I changed my mind at the last minute, and I'm glad that I did because it is really cute, but it's just, I don't think it's something that I would use a lot. I don't know. I mean, I'm sure my 5-year-old would like to use all this a lot, but the only thing I'd give her for school is actually a fuel cell. So there it is. There is that, and there is the Classy again, and not the Classy, sorry, the Be Sassy. And I can't wait actually to pack this up and show you. Although I don't know what I'm going to pair with it because I don't have any of the legacy B sets anymore. I have nothing with the gold. All I have is rose gold and the classic. So I'll have to figure out what I'm going to pair it with, but if you guys have any ideas, let me know, and thanks for watching.